Create your next favorite accessory with this easy crochet bag pattern. A fantastic crochet tote bag that can hold lots of weight. On your screen now, you'll find all the materials to make the Natural Nomad Tote bag. Let's jump right in. Start by making a magic ring and chain 2. Place 12 double crochet inside the ring. Tighten the magic ring firmly. Join with a slip stitch to form a circle and chain 2. For round 2, you will make 1 front post double crochet and a chain 1 in each stitch around. Repeat in the same pattern and meet me at the end of the round. At the end of round 2, you will have 24 stitches, 12 double crochet, and 12 chain 1s. Join again with a slip stitch and chain 2. Moving on to round 3, you will place 1 front post double crochet stitch and a chain 1 in the first stitch. Then, you will increase in the next stitch. The increase is like this: front post double crochet and a chain 1, and again at the same stitch, just below the first one, 1 more front post double crochet and a chain 1. You will keep repeating the same pattern around: 1 front post double crochet and a chain 1 in one stitch, and an increase in the next stitch. The increase is a front post double crochet and a chain 1, and another front post double crochet and a chain 1, all in the same stitch. Meet me at the end of the round. At the end of the round, join with a slip stitch and chain 2. For round 4, you will make a front post double crochet and a chain 1 for each of the first 2 stitches. So, front post double crochet in the first stitch and chain 1, and another front post double crochet in the next stitch and chain 1. Then, place your increase here, at the second stitch of the increase of the previous round. Front post double crochet, chain 1, another front post double crochet, and a chain 1. You will place all your increases in the same spot, the second stitch of the increase of the previous round. If you pay attention to your project, you can clearly see where to place the increases for each round, and you don't have to count. Just for reference, for round 4, you will make a front post double crochet and a chain 1 and 2 stitches, and then an increase in the next stitch. If you decide not to count your stitches in order to find where the increases are made, I would strongly advise you to count your stitches at the end of each round. This round has a total of 48 stitches. Meet me at the end of round 4. Join with a slip stitch and chain 2. For round 5, you will make a front post double crochet and a chain 1 in the first 3 stitches, and then an increase in the last stitch. Just as a reminder, an increase is a front post double crochet, a chain 1, and another front post double crochet and a chain 1, all in the same stitch. Keep repeating this pattern around and join me for round 6. Somehow, I forgot to record round 6, so here are the instructions. For round 6, you will make a front post double crochet and a chain 1 for the first 4 stitches, and then an increase in the next stitch. Now is the time to measure your flat circle. After round 6, it should measure approximately 4 inches, or 10 centimeters. For rounds 7 to 14, you will keep adding 1 stitch before the increase. So, for round 7, you will make a front post double crochet and a chain 1 for 5 stitches and then increase. For round 8, you will make a front post double crochet and a chain 1 for 6 stitches and then increase. And this is how it's going to be until round 14, where you'll end up with 168 stitches. Alternatively, you can always keep an eye on your project and make an increase at the second stitch of the increase of the previous round. Just make sure at the end of each round that you have added all your increases. That should be 12 stitches added per round. Now, pause this video, make all your rounds, and meet me at the end of round 14. When you reach round 14, it's time again to measure your flat circle. It should be approximately 9 inches or 23 centimeters. This is the bottom of your bag, and we are done with the increases. You will now work 1 front post double crochet and a chain 1 in each stitch around for 35 rounds. Meet me when you reach round 49 or your desired length for your bag. We have now reached round 49, and the bag is almost finished. It's about 16 inches long and 14 inches wide. See how beautiful the bottom looks? Let's make the handles now. Do not cut your yarn, you are going to crochet in the same direction. For round 50, you are going to crochet 1 single crochet in each stitch around. That's 168 single crochet stitches. At the end, always join with a slip stitch and chain 1. Moving on to round 51, you are going to make 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches and then a decrease. Repeat this pattern around. Single crochet in 2 stitches and then decrease. Join with a slip stitch at the end of the round and chain 1. In round 52, we are making the handles. Begin by making 1 single crochet in the next 20 stitches. Then chain 70 and skip 23 stitches. You may use a stitch marker to make it easier for you. I used a bobby pin to mark my 23rd stitch, so after I chain my 70 stitches, I will place the next single crochet just after my marker. These stitches will be left unworked. Start making 70 chains and meet me at the end. Now, connect with a single crochet right after the marker. Continue with 39 more single crochet stitches for a total of 40. We are now going to repeat the same for the other handle. Skip 23 stitches and place a marker at the last skipped stitch. Chain 70. Connect again with a single crochet just after your marker. Be careful not to twist your chain. Continue with 19 more single crochet stitches for a total of 20. Slip stitch to join at the end of the round and chain 1. These are the handles for now. For the next 4 rounds, we are going to build up on the handles. You are going to crochet 1 single crochet in each stitch around for 4 rounds. That includes the chain stitches. In the first round, it might feel a bit tricky to make a single crochet in each chain, but it will get easier over time. Make the next 4 rounds and meet me at the end for a final look at your finished bag. And this is how it looks after you have finished all 4 rounds. You have some nice and thick handles with a clean look. I love how the bottom looks too. Did you enjoy making this bag? Try my other crochet tutorials on the videos that show up now on your screen. Bye!